Rossman Repair Group. How may I help you?
MacBook Pro. Where's the MacBook Pro? I need a MacBook Pro.
Oh, I'm very sorry, but we're currently sold out. However, we did finally get some more Thinkpad P50 in.
What? What is that? Is that a MacBook?
It is that laptop on Lenovo.
If it's not a MacBook, why would I want it?
Well, it's similar to a MacBook, but cheaper than MacBook.
I don't care.
It has better graphics card than a MacBook.
I don't care.
It has a removable RAM slot, and a SSD slot.
I don't care.
It runs on Windows operating system, which MacBook doesn't.
I don't care.
Its battery is replaceable, as is the memory card.
I don't care.
It is highly customizable, everything from the widgets to the icons, the fonts, and even has video wallpaper.
I don't care.
The monthly bill is cheaper.
I don't care.
It fucking prints money.
I don't care.
It can grant up to 3 wishes, even if one of those wishes is for a MacBook Pro.
I don't care.
It has an app that will build you a genius bar, and then it fucking transforms into a jet and flies you there.
I don't care.
And it's motherfucking indestructible.
I don't care about any of that.
Okay, fine then. What the hell entices you about the MacBook Pro, if you don't mind me asking?
It is a MacBook.
You do realize, that doesn't mean anything, it's a brand. They could put out a fucking brick and call it a MacBook if they wanted to, right?
Yes. But it's the best laptop.
Can you explain why?
I can download apps to it.
Big fucking deal. My 8-year-old Clinton's Thinkpad T430 has apps.
And it has Apple logo, and has the Wi-Fi's.
What the fuck? Do you even know what that means?
It can,
Listen, I'm out of the goddamn MacBook anyway. I guess if you're fine using Genius Bar shitty ass customer service, and don't mind paying out the ass for the plan and for MacBook, and also don't mind having a brand new laptop that's already behind the curve, then I can put you on our reservation list.
No. I'll just try somewhere else. I have to have it today.
Are you serious? Not only are you so batshit stupid that you still want this device, you are also so retarded that you think you can just fucking waltz into any store and purchase one on launch day, without a pre-order?
Yes.
I think I need to go chop off my own dick now. Yes. I think I will. I don't need my children growing up in a world populated by fanboys like you.
I need a MacBook Pro.
Holy fuck, if you don't leave I'm going to fucking go find one for you, and shove it so far up your ass.
I want the one with bigger GBs.
Oh god. I think I just had an aneurysm. I'm dying. Are you happy? Your fucking stupidity has killed me. Now my goddamn cat is homeless. I'm no longer alive. I'm dead.
I need a white one. Hello? I need one now, please. Can you waive the Apple Care Plus? Does it come with a mouse? I also need you to hook up my dongle to it. Hello? Hello? Fuck it. I'll go somewhere else. My sister said Walgreens has them. Goodbye.